Good morning, my goodness. Palabas na ako, guys. It's 9:59 ng umaga. Tulog po yung mga kids ko. So, dali-dali akong lumabas. Nandun naman si Miss at saka si Michelle para makapagpa-nails. Hindi na sana ako magpapa-nails, kaya lang doon talaga tututubo. And powder nails kasi to. So, di ko alam kung matatanggal nila basta-basta. It's really not the end of the world, but I need to go out anyway para bumili ng iron. So I'm out now, but good morning, happy Monday. Today is our last day here. Tapos uwi na tayong Pinas. Alright, see you later. Naka-phone ako kasi dala-dala ko yung camera ko pero walang memory card kasi nag-edit pala ako kagabi. Alright, see you there guys, bye. Alright, we're here. Dito din ako kahapon, guys. Order ako ng kape muna. Tapos pasok ako dun sa nail shop ko. Hindi ako nakapagkape dun. Diretso talaga ako. Alis pagbaba ko nandun sila, miss. Alis ako agad. Hindi na ako nakapagkape kasi wala kaming take away cup. Oh my gosh, sana open. Ayun, may naamoy akong kape. Kape muna tayo dito. Asan na yun? Oh my gosh, ayun. Got my coffee. Pa-nails tayo. Guys, I'm back in the car. Hindi na ako nagpa-nails kasi wala dun yung gumagawa ng nails ko. Yung may-ari talaga. And busy din sila. So, I know na matagal ako matatapos. Tapos, baka hindi ko pa gusto yung gawa after. So, hindi na ako nagpa-nails. Kasi, again, hindi naman siya sobrang importante talaga. I just know that it will grow out kapag nasa Pinas na ako. But that's okay, not the end of the world. But I did go get my coffee. Naubos ko na yung coffee ko, guys. Ay, nag-Chemist Warehouse din ako to buy my iron tablets. Kumuha ako ng dalawa nito kasi 30 tablets lang siya in one. Dalawa, kaya lang. Sorry. Kaya lang pagdating ko sa counter, sabi ni Kuya, only limited to one per customer daw. So, I just ended up getting one. I saw this. Wala na talaga akong time mag-amoy-amoy ng mga perfume. But, inamoy ko siya. Mabango naman. I got this for Mama. Last minute pasalubong for Mama. And, Popo ointment. Kasi diba nag-order ako nito kahapon. Tapos si Miss gusto niya din pala. So, binilhan ko siya. And I saw this. Sugar-free gummy bears. I'll bring it sa airport. Marami na akong ganyan. But, yung from Costco na maliliit na pack. But, I'll bring that sa plane. Kasi sugar-free daw siya. I don't know how true that is. But, let's go. Let's go home. Na, 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 na. Na, na, no. Huwag kayong mahulog, ha. Yeah, okay lang wala akong nails. Hindi kasi pareho yung pa-nails natin dyan sa Pinas kaysa dito, diba? I don't know. I'm pretty sure you guys have powder nails as well, but guys, bahay na ako kanina pa. And tingnan nyo naman to. Puyang-puyang. Tayo na talaga ang may lunch na ganitong bang-bang. Bahala kayo dyan. Alas 12 na so kain tayo. Pina-phone ko si Ella kasi ang gulo-gulo.
You go, Ella.
Kumain. Ay, kalamihan ni Day. Para. Uy, miss. Kaon na dira. So. Buyagi in town, guys, ang lunch.
Guys, tapos na yung aking
Nag-yoyo sa likod din.
Ay, oo, kasi siya. Pedicure siya ng sariling sikap ba.
kain time. Sarap ng ulam.
Ay!
Sorry, Lord.
Gutom na kayo na. Lord, amen.
Balik yung na.
Do you wanna try the pork, Ayla?
Busog pa ako pero kain na naman.
Yeah.
Why not?
Ako, hindi ako kumain. Nag-ano lang ako, kape. Kasi nga. Ay, kaya. Napapadami rice na natin ito doon. Time check. It's 1:48 ng hapon. I am just packing because tomorrow early morning we're leaving, guys. Actually, I am folding clothes from yesterday's laundry. And while folding the clothes, I'm also packing. And napak ko na yung susuotin ng kids sa Singapore. So, tapos na-separate ko na din yung susuotin nila mamaya, which is diretso na for bukas. So, after namin maligo mamayang gabi, ipapasuot ko na sa kanila yung susuotin nila sa airport kasi diretso na sila sa car niyan. Hindi na namin sila gigisingin para bihisan. That's what we do if we have early trips.
Top here. Tell my iPad. It's already done.
Not yet done.
It is done.
No, I already checked. So, ma-road trip man yan, ma-plane trip, basta maaga yung alis namin kinabukasan, yung pinapasuot ko na sa kanila, hindi na pajamas, yung isusuot na nila kinabukasan. Para diretso na sila sa car and hopefully they sleep in the car. Because from home to airport, it's around 30 minutes kung walang traffic. So, at least they get like 30 minutes, diba, na hindi sila like binangon talaga para bihisan. Transfer lang diretso. So, now, I'm gonna pack my skincare. I ordered a lot of skincare from Yes Style. Actually, yan at saka ito, in-order ko to. And I'm glad I did because kasyang-kasya siya sa aking belly. So, I need to bring this. Pants lang siya na loose, na ganyan. Itatry ko to and see kung may milk tea.
Yeah.
Ooh. Do you want Tita Michelle and Tita Rich to buy milk tea? Umalis sila, Miss A. Do you know call Tita Rich? You tell Tita Rich what you want.
And
Just wait.
Tito?
Huh?
Tito mo?
No, just Tita Rich.
Tito mo.
Do you want Tito Mark to buy you something? What do you want?
I want milk
Go.
tea.
You want milk tea? Kita mesti milk tea. Oh, ano me? 8 minutes. Gana ng milk tea? Doon naman sa
Why have a tossy? Mom, why do you have a tossy?
Go for No, they're using my car, that's why. They have a car seat because they're using my car. Dali, aran ninyo, oy!
Why is only one?
Basket na kayo naman nakita ng mga ice
Oh, why they using your car?
Ano yung milk ko?
Because usara mo aha, brown sugar milk tea. Brown sugar with pearls.
Brown sugar with pearls, okay.
Please. What do you say?
Okay na, brown sugar with pearls niya. Regular ang sugar o kuan.
Yes. A large one, please.
Yes,
Okay, bye.
What do you say to Tita?
bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Nice. Bye-bye. Thank you. Balik tayo sa skincare. I ordered a lot of sulwasu, guys. I got the concentrated ginseng. I really like that serum na ginamit ko, yung 100 plus. My goodness. Kaya lang wala na siya. Hindi na siya available sa Yes Style. Yeah, sayang. Kasi gustong-gusto ko yun. Ano, konting-konti na lang natira. I think I will pack that as well. Wait, guys. Ito guys, oh, gustong-gusto ko to. And konting-konti na lang natira. Yung dadalhin ko na toiletry bag is hindi yung pinakamalaking toiletry bag namin because Dan needs to bring his separate toiletry bag. Okay, ilalagay ko lang to dito pero hindi ko pa siya pwedeng i-pack sa luggage because I will still need to use it tonight. So, I got different Sulwasu products from Yes Style. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga Sulwasu products, meron sa Yes Style, guys. And it is slightly cheaper than if you buy it like sa mga websites dito sa Australia. Yung... What happened? Yeah, but we need to make sure that it's 100% full.
It is.
Is it?
I checked, and it is.
You checked and it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not 100%. I saw it was like around 70.
Mom,
It has to be 100% so it doesn't die on the plane. Can you please listen?
it's not dying.
Yung iPad niya kasi nilabas ko. And ang tagal-tagal na niyan.
Mom, it doesn't
Disney Cruise ko pa yan tinago. So, February. Nakatago na yung iPad niyan. Ngayon ko lang nilabas. Ate, I said, look. See? It says 7.5. We need that to be 100. I know.
5 minutes.
Huh?
5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes? Just 5 minutes.
Yes, Mom.
Promise?
Mom, I Okay, now you find it.
I found it, yes.
Where you find it?
I found it in your luggage.
Why you find it in my luggage? Mom, I want this one.
Okay, wait.
Mom, I don't.
Oh, see, it needs to download, Bobby. They're all
No,
they're all out of date
this
now. It's updating now because we haven't used this in a long time.
I did want this one.
Okay, buti nga nag-on pa, guys. Akala ko nasira na.
Thank you.
Tinako ko lang talaga siya.
Papa
As in, tinako ko lang talaga siya. Hanggang sa namatay na siya.
I like your earrings.
You like my earrings? Alright. I'll let you watch.
From
Actually, let's download
from.
videos now. Wait. Just wait. Let me just...
I like this ones.
Yeah. Mag-download tayo ng videos para may mapanood siya while nasa plane. So what I do kapag nagta-travel kami, it's another hack that I do. I pay YouTube Premium just for a month. Siyempre, closer to our date, depende kung gaano kahaba yung bakasyon namin. And then, with YouTube Premium kasi you are allowed to download videos and they can watch it offline. So that's what I do. I have downloaded a lot of videos on my phone already. Kasi si Arlo wala naman siyang sariling
I don't like
iPad.
to watch Nasya, Mom.
Yeah, we're not allowed to watch Nastya anymore. So we'll do this one. We'll download this one. We'll watch Peppa Pig. And you like watching your pandas, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
George.
So let me just...
No,
oh, George. Yeah, let's go back to this habang anak ko na talaga nag-iPad. But I need to pack. So, hayaan na muna. Isla's pretty good though. Pag sinabi niyang 5 minutes lang talaga yan siya. What I was saying was, kapag nag-order kayo sa YesStyle, mas mura siya compared sa mga websites na ma-orderan nyo. Like, for example, dito sa Australia. Sa Australia ko lang siya mako-compare ha kasi yun lang yung alam ko. Medyo mas mura siya. Ang con lang sa kanya is matagal talaga yung shipping sa YesStyle. So, if you're just stocking up on something, YesStyle is the way to go. Yung hindi pa naman ubos, like gusto mo lang mag-stock up because they are generally cheaper. Plus, kapag umabot ng $50 USD yung order nyo, you get free shipping. Plus, you get 10% off if you use my code, which is on the screen. I think it's still Razel10, guys. Ililive ko yung link ng website below. It's actually always in the description box. So, I'm not sure if I am bringing these big ones, but I did order the concentrated ginseng na emulsion. So, I think this is a moisturizer. Oh, nice. I also got the cleansing oil. Ako, meron na ako nito. Pang-stock ko na lang to dito sa bahay. Ito ba yung gamit ko ngayon? Actually, no, joke lang pala. I am using a cleansing oil now, but not from Sulwhasoo. So, pag naubos na yung gamit ko, move na tayo sa Sulwhasoo na cleansing oil. This one, I have. So, ito yung cleanser pala na gamit ko ngayon. It's the Gentle Cleansing Foam. And then I got 3 of these. Ito, gusto ko tong dalhin. Renewing Cream. Kasi maliit lang siya, guys. So, I got 3 of those. Again, it's from the concentrated ginseng line. Ang cute-cute, diba? And I also got this one. This is another cleanser. Kinuha ko lang siya kasi maliit. So, it's perfect for travel. This is a cleansing foam. Ito yung from Time Treasure na line naman nila. So, I will bring this sa Singapore. So, ilagay ko lang siya dito. And these, I got these as well, guys. So, maliliit din siya. Perfect talaga for travel. Or concentrated ginseng renewing water. Hala. I don't know what it's for. Ang cute nito. This is a renewing serum naman. Apakaliit. So, perfect din yan. Dalhin ko din yan. I'm just trying to bring like sobrang necessity lang talaga. Kasi, dapat magkasyan dito yung skincare ko at saka yung makeup ko. Nandito na yung makeup, nandito na yung hand cream, nandito na yung some of the skincare. And I ordered this as well. This is from YesStyle too. So, while I was looking at all these travel sizes ng mga skincare, nag-recommend ng mga travel sizes na makeup as well. So, I saw this one. Lily by Red. It is a travel size fixing tint. Mini. So, it is a lip tint. As if I need any more lip tint. My goodness. But, itry nga natin. Meron bang tint? I don't know. Try na lang muna natin yan. Ilagay ko siya dito sa malaki nating makeup bag which will go in our check-in luggage. Alright, and I ordered these. So I got 4 of the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Ito ipamimigay ko sa girls naman. Kay mama at saka sa girls. Yeah, ang cute kasi nito. So pang pasalubong to natin pala. Meron pa pala. Buti chinik ko dyan. Alright, i-put away ko lang tong aking mga skincare and then balik tayo sa pagpapak. Dito na sila guys. Nagpabili ako kay Miss nito for Ayla. Palitan natin yung ano ng iPad niya. Cover. Kasi hindi magkakasya sa bag. Ang laki kasi nun. But ang ganda oh. Purple. Same to ng case ni Daddy. So hopefully magkasya. Tingnan na natin.
Sige daw. Kamang na mo dito ay.
Kaya nga. Pero kung hindi magkasya dito, doon tayo sa ano niya. Iba ang backpack niya. Kasi ito ang that's Uy! Hala! Kasya ni Gara. Perfect. That's perfect. So Ayla can carry her own laptop. Beautiful. So laptop, iPad. Oh, ito pala yung mga binili ko sa Shein na hindi ko napakita kay Ayla. Mga sticker. So ikaw na bahala dito. Stick mo yan sa ano niya. Kung ano-ano lang gagawin. Baka paglabas natin sa airplane, kung ano napuno na ng sticker si Ayla sa
If I know, ang ending sa plane si ate, unya ando ka ba?
Tatapag naman si Michelle o si Rich. Natulog man.
Lagay ko to dito ha, mga sikretong malupit. Ha? Oh, look for it. Maybe it's upstairs.
Upstairs, Ayla?
Ah, madami pala to. So yung iba, i-keep ko sa ano.
I think it was in your room. I saw it in your room.
I said... Oh my God.
Go with Tita Rich.
Come here.
Help her.
Ito yung mga gustong-gusto ni Arlo. Na itlog.
Maton.
May laman yung ano, dinosaur.
Ah.
So, i-open niya yan, tapos may lamang dinosaur. Hindi ko alam ganyan pala kaliliit yan. But gusto niya yan. Tapos ito din, guys. Tignan niyo ito. Sabi ko sa'yo, dami na rin binili.
Ready today. Eh?
Oh, ready. Dapat ready ka talaga.
Ah! Wala.
Iba. Oh. Sino to? Wala na. Mag-ano na kami, name the dinosaur kami sa airplane ni Arlo. Bumili din ako ng stamps para kay Ayla. Kasi di ba magkatabi nga si Ayla at saka si Miss. So si Miss na bahala dito. Ha? Oh my gosh, magugustuhan mo to ate. Princesses. Ilalagay yung mga... Alright. But you're taking it in the plane, okay? So you and Tita Rich can play, okay? That is so fun! Are you serious? You will hold it, but I need to put it in your bag so you can play.
I want to pop that.
Hmm?
I want to pop.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, magugustuhan to ni Arlo. Triceratops. Ay, nako. Wala, nadalhin ko na to. Ay, ito yung mga itlog. Oh, more itlog. Wala, nagkana din itlog, ani. Wala, dami itlog pala nito. Kasi may laman itong dino, eh. 9 itlog. Tsaka amazing na naman. Gagawa kayo ilang bracelet niya.
Perfect.
Ay, hindi. Bracelet na pala talaga siya. Gawa na pala, guys.
Tingnan mo, gagmay yung itlog. Bukon to.
Ha?
Bukon tong gagmay.
Daghan mo, kaya ni 9 kabuok niya akong gipalit dahil na itlog.
Lagi.
Niawan dahil. Oh.
Ang kuy. Ay, nagkaan maarso eh.
Good luck, anak. Buhog na dito sa atong lingkuran na. Mabawtag kuot, anak.
Kita na. Kadaghan mo
Para
today.
pabalik na po.
Ka-prepared mo today, ani niya.
Siyempre. Ganyan talaga yan. That's motherhood. Guys, gagawa ako ng banana bread. Kasi masasayang yung ating bananas. Maliliit lang actually to. But yeah. I'll make banana bread now so Dan can bring it to work tomorrow. Para lang hindi matapon yung bananas. Kasi sayang. Hindi na makakain. And yung mga bata at saka si Dan, nagbanding. Tagal nilang hindi makikita yung daddy nila guys. Yeah, first time, as in first time ever, na magkakalayo sila ng ganito katagal. 1 week. My gosh. 1 week and a half actually, na hindi niya makikita yung mga kids. Well, makikita pero video call ba? Alam mo yun? I'm cooking pasta as well for kids dinner. sinama niya yung kids, order siya ng dinner niya. Magti-take away si daddy. But, gawin ko to para masalang na natin to.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Tingnan niyo itong mga batang to. May bagong toy. Oh, what happened? Where? Do you know where it is a bracelet? Okay. Na, ang hirap naman ito, boy. We need to tape it. Do you want me to tape it? Tape it. Okay, I'll get a tape. Just wait. Bumili si daddy ng ganito guys sa Target. Na may mga lamang mga squishy. Gustong-gusto ni Ayla. Pink at saka lavender. Banding sila eh. Oh. You're opening the purple one as well? You keep it in the luggage, Ayla, ha? Alright, I'll get a tape, mate. I'll get a tape. Tingnan nyo to. Diba sabi ko dapat naka-airport outfit? Wala. Gusto talaga mag-Iron Man na jamas. Oh. Nasuot ko yung t-shirt or nasuot ni Dan yung t-shirt sa ilalim. Yan sana yung t-shirt lang tapos pants niya. Wala. Gusto niya talaga mag-Iron Man. Si Ayla, oh. Okay na si Ayla. Yan yung outfit niya bukas. Tapos, jumper. And then mag-slides lang yan siya.
And I got
You got a luggage. That is so cool. Alright, let's go. Say goodnight to Tita Rich and Tita Michelle. We're gonna go upstairs. Not playing. Saying goodnight. Kisses. Say goodnight. See you tomorrow morning. Aw, sweetie pie. Alright, come on. Tomorrow. Let's go. Where are my kids? Hello. Hello, Ayla, where are you? Is it your castle?
Yeah.
Okay.
You come home.
Okay. Ayla, Ayla.
Come this way. Come
Bah!
Come this way.
Okay.
Come this way.
Okay.
Come this way. Mom, come this way.
Alright. Say goodnight to the guys.
Good night,
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Be good.
Be good.
Where are we going?
I love you.
Where are we going, Alo?
At the castle day.
What?
Mommy.
Oh no.
Mommy. Can you come in our castle?
Where's your castle?
Oh, here, that way.